Neil, we want to see if you had thoughts on what could happen next. The president obviously registered a lot of unhappiness about this decision and 6 justices in particular. He's also said he's going to offer global tariffs, 10%. Then he quickly changed it to 15. They're trying to pull different levers and mechanisms, licenses he's talking about today, fees. What is your sense in these early hours? What is your sense as to whether this would stand up in court? Does the president have constitutional authority to deploy the measures he is now talking about?
Well, the measures shift every few minutes, so I can't really, speak to them all. But the main one that he's been talking about is Section 122 of the 1974 Trade Act, which allows for a 15% tariff for 150 days only. Of course, his whole program and what he said was necessary, otherwise America would be destroyed, is his sweeping of tariff authority, which went to 145% and was indefinite. So the Congress has passed that statute. Again, here's the problem for Donald Trump. His Justice Department, in our case, filed briefs to the United States Supreme Court and the Court of Appeals that said Section 122 is inapplicable and the president can't use it. So now he's turned around 100%. I'm not sure what his rationale could be to turn around, and he's going to have to somehow argue against his own Justice Department's interpretation of the statute. I think that's tough. I think it'll be, something that'll be fought about in the courts. But regardless, that's a much more limited tariff scheme than what Trump had tried to do, the president had tried to do earlier.
Georgetown law